Start of this first senior men's 1500 meter semi-final group number 2. The 2 skaters from Barcelona, one from New Zealand, one from Switzerland, one from France and one from Belgium. Number 225 from Barcelona is Victor Martinez-Blanche. On his outside, number 241, taking over the lead in this race for Switzerland is Jose Cavalli. Third place, number 240 from Gentil, Belgium is Martin Slembrug. Straight round the outside, from the back of this race to the lead, number 223 from New Zealand with Ben Whiteside. 9 laps to go. Jose Cavalli of Switzerland moving back up inside to lead this race. Hard pace already being taken, the race starting to stretch out. Jose Cavalli, Ben Whiteside, Martin Slembrug third. Victor Martinez-Blanche fourth. Roger Malmanu fifth. Thomas Merlini sixth. Just the first, second and third to qualify through to the C final. Thomas Merlini moving around the outside in third place now. He's managed to go all the way from 6th round to first on the outside, and the pace really picks up. 218, Thomas Merlini. 241, Jose Cavalli. 223, Ben Whiteside. 222, Victor Martinez. 221, Roger Malmanu. 240, Martin Slembrug. They come round with 1 lap to go. Really cheering skaters home on the final lap now. First, second and third to qualify through to the A finals. Going to be first for Thomas Merlini, second Jose Cavalli.